35 members of the Davao City Police were relieved from their posts to make way for the investigation into the deaths of at least 7 drug suspects back in March. Among those relieved is Davao City Police Chief Colonel Richard Badang and 11 station commanders. The seven drug suspects were killed just less than a week after Badang was appointed and after Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte declared an all-out war against illegal drugs in his city. The PNP emphasized, though, that this administrative relief does not automatically mean that the officers are guilty and that it's just part of their process of investigation.
This is not the first time na ginagawa po ito ng RIAS and even the PNP na kapag isang pulis po natin ay nai-involve po sa mga reported illegal activities. Kung sakasakali po matatapos po yung investigation na ginagawa po ng RIAS at kung makikita naman po na wala naman po silang kasalanan, ay magandang opportunity po ito sa ating mga kapulisan para makapag-present din po sila ng mga ebidensya na makakapagpatunay na above board po yung ginawa po nilang operation doon sa sinasabi pong mga nagresulta po sa pagkakapatay po ng suspect.
Mayor Duterte meanwhile condemned the move, saying that it appears to be an abuse of power from higher authorities. He then noted a, quote, significant 69% decrease in focused crimes from May 2023 to 2024, something he noted as an accomplishment that reflects the dedication and competence of their police force. Duterte says it's disheartening to witness such disruptive actions within law enforcement agencies. He adds that he opposes any efforts to, quote, undermine the hard-earned trust between their community and law enforcement.
And here to talk to us more about that, we have with us on the show Police Major Catherine De La Rey, Davao's Regional Public Information Officer and spokesperson of the Davao Region Police. Magandang gabi, Major.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at lahat po na nakapinig at nanonood po sa programa ninyo. Magandang gabi.
Major Catherine, na unang-una, meron po tayong natatanggap na reports of misinformation. Nakasama raw po kayo sa mga narelyebo. Unang-una, totoo po ba yun? Has that been cleared out? And how many police officers in total talaga yung na-relieve at ano po ang status nila ngayon?
Ang total po talaga na na-relieve sa Davao City Police Office ay 35 PNP personnel, including the city director, and they are now assigned at the regional personnel holding accounting section of Police Regional Office 11. The relief of the 35 DCO personnel, ma'am, was based on the recommendation of the Regional Affairs Service 11 or the RIAS 11 to place these personnel under administrative relief. And it should be noted that such action was not taken lightly by the regional director, but with full deliberation and profound consideration of all the facts and surrounding circumstances of the RIAS 11 investigation. And of course, with the end view of ascertaining the truth, and ang pangyayari naman po is in accordance with the observance of the procedural due process, ma'am, aimed at ensuring transparent and of course the accountability of public officers. And after naman po ng conclusion ng conduct na investigation, and if ang finding po ay non-culpability, PR11 naman po, among others, may reinstate them to the previous designation.
Hindi po kayo kasama doon sa 35?
Ay, hindi po. I'm still the Public Information Officer of Police General Office 11, ma'am.
Okay. Mayor Catherine, nagsimula ito right after kinundena ni Mayor Baste Duterte ang lahat ng mga drug personalities dyan. Nagdeklara siya ng all-out war. Sunod nun na nagkagulo na. What do you think led to the, kumbaga, administrative relief of these officers? Kasi ngayon, sinasabi ni Mayor Baste Duterte na hindi siya sang-ayon sa ginawang administrative relief dito sa mga 35 na police officers, kasama na ang Chief of Police ng Davao City.
Ma'am, part lang po talaga ito ng procedural process, part ng investigation, ng motor proprio investigation ng RIAS 11 to ascertain that the police officers involved in the operation, including the commanders, have followed the law and followed yung mga policies natin and guidelines, specifically yung police operational procedure. The administrative relief is not a penalty to them, but only for the ongoing motu proprio investigation, so that it would be fair, just, and transparent, and then mawala po yung doubt that they can influence any witnesses or tamper any evidences. Pag ma-find naman po na non-culpable po sila dun sa ongoing investigation, they could again be reassigned to their previous assignment. That is why the city director of Davao City Police Office was replaced by Police Colonel Rolindo Sugilon, the Deputy Regional Director of Operations of Pier 11, that is, in addition to his duties and responsibilities as DRDO, he is the officer in charge of Davao City Police Office, or the caretaker. There are people who are questioning the move that maybe it's just a way of Colonel Rolindo to Colonel Sugilo to really be assigned as the city director. The answer would be no, because the position of city director will be 2 steps down of his position as deputy regional director for operations, which is 1 step na lang po para po maging 1-star rank general po siya. And then doon naman po sa mga police stations na na-relieve ang mga station commanders, ang pumalit naman po sa kanila ay OIC din po, or officer in charge. And then ang officer na inassign is the rank of police captain, which is doon na rin na-assign ng police station. There were no movements of officers from other states or other units para umupo as officer in charge of the police station. This clearly shows that the relief of the officers of the concerned station is only for the ongoing motu proprio investigation of the Rio 11.
Okay.
And of
Ilawin
course,
na, Major? Yes, pwede
Yes.
linawin lang natin. So, kasi yung basic issue here is kung standard operating procedure po ba, no, na mag-i-relieve administratively ang mga sangkot sa isang operation na may namatay? Is it as, kumbaga, black and white as that? Or does this happen every time na may namamatay, no, sa isang operasyon? Or hindi po ba? And is it a case-to-case basis?
Every may namamatay po sa operation, either operation on anti-illegal drugs, operation on the service of warrant of arrest, implementation of search warrant, or manhunt operation. Pag may namatay po, either may victim or civilian, or yung suspect, automatic, this is a mandate of the RIAS 11 to conduct motu proprio investigation. And the relief of any personnel and or commander will be depending on the ongoing investigation of the RIAS 11. The RIAS 11 will be the one who will recommend to the commander if there is a need to administrative relief any commander or PNP personnel. For this case, it was recommended the RIAS 11 to administrative relief the said the 35 DCO personnel.
Okay.
Major Catherine, hi. Tanungin ko lang, no, kamusta ang operations ngayon ng Davao City PNP? Kasi nga, nabanggit nyo nga na 35 officers ang na-relieve. May temporary replacement po ang police chief, si acting OIC nga po na si Police Colonel Rolindo Sugilon, pero yung ibang officers na na-relieve, paano po mangyayari sa operations ng PNP?
Yung sa na-relieve na doon naman sa mga stations na na-relieve ang station commanders, may inassign naman po na officer in charge, and they are well supervised by the officer in charge of the Davao City Police Office. And there are still enough PNP personnel to go with our operations in the crime prevention and anti-criminality activities, ma'am.
Okay. Major, wala pong special action force na kasama doon sa hahalili muna?
No, there were no staff or special action force na halili. Same personnel pa rin po ng stations ang nagtatrabaho on the crime prevention and anti-criminality activities. Wala pong reassignment or additional personnel sa mga stations from other units or other stations po.
Major,
Yun pa rin po.
Major, I understand that the operations that is the subject of the investigations now happened between March 23 to 26. How many operations are involved in the investigation? Can you tell us a little bit more about what exactly they are investigating in?
They are investigating the 7 deaths, the deaths of 7 personalities during the operation in Davao City from March 23 to 26. Yun po yung covered ng investigation.
Okay, dadagdag lang ako no sa tanong ni Gretchen because I also wanted to ask you actually. I understand na sensitive yung mga particulars and specifics of these operations from March 23 to 26, but baka po you can tell us kasi base sa sinabi nyo kanina, Major, no, hindi naman lagi na re-reliebo temporarily ang mga polis na sangkot sa mga operations kung saan may namatay na suspect or victim or meron. Having said that, can we safely assume then na medyo mas mabibigat ang accusations or suspicions against these 35 policemen? Because kung nasuspinde 35 sila, medyo marami po yun.
Ma'am, hindi po sila suspended. Wala pong penalty or preventive suspension. Hindi po sila suspended. Administrative relief lang po while ongoing ang investigation. Kasi yung pagka-relieve naman po nila is hindi naman po penalty.
Mayor Baste Duterte said that this is a reminder of the dangers of unchecked power. Sino po kaya yung maaaring tinutukoy niya dito na umabuso sa kapangyarihan? Sino po yung, kumbaga, yung in charge dito na nagrelyebo?
Ang ano naman ng PRL11 is we remain committed to upholding the law with integrity and accountability. And the action was really based on the recommendation of RIAS 11. As I have said earlier, it was not done lightly by the Regional Director of Police Office 11. It is with thorough deliberation with other officers and consideration of the circumstances presented by RIAS 11. And of course, PR11 acknowledges the support of the local government of Davao City to PR11, and we will maintain such strong partnership for, of course, for lasting peace and order and public safety, the community within Davao City.
All right. Thank you so much, Major Catherine De La Rey, for those clarifications, and we await the result of those investigations. Thank you so much again for joining us tonight. Spokesperson of the Davao Region Police, Catherine De La Rey.